Yeah, posse up the block. You feel me? You see it, posse boy. And we back. What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Hoping out there's doing good. Hope you're staying out the heat, because today is a hot one.
Hot one today, huh? Yeah!
So last video, I think I solved the issue with the transmission clapping against the frame rail down there. And I'm not 100% sure because I just went around the block pretty much, and I didn't want to do too much driving because the battery wasn't secure, and I still didn't tighten down these radius arms for the traction bar yet at the time, and it was just getting late. But I just got done checking those out, tightening those up. Everything's good there. Still need an alignment. But I was reminded when I set my green tea down there a couple days ago when I took it for another drive, this bolt fell out, and I have no idea where it belongs. I'm thinking maybe it was a bolt that got dropped down into where the power steering subframe rack thing is, in the back over here at some point, and maybe it just fell loose. Because I'm gonna be honest, anything that is on the underside of my car, it would not be this clean. It would be covered in power steering or regular motor oil, and this thing, as you can tell, I'm touching it and it's not leaving any residue anywhere. So I really don't know where this came from. I spent some time under the car, like I mentioned, checking everything and kind of just doing a once over on all the suspension stuff, just making sure everything was still tight. And I couldn't find any spots for this bolt to go into. Mystery bolt will remain a mystery, and then we'll just kind of hang out here until I figure out where it went. Get it back on the ground and take it for another test drive, and let's see if we for sure fixed it this time. Exhaust is falling off again. This is not going to be a good exhaust. I'm going to have to figure something out with this exhaust here. Alright. It's a pretty sweet test run. I mean, this alignment's a little better than it was. Still trying to get used to these 16s on here. Definitely hard to get used to. I really prefer the 15s. I'm thinking the header is separating either from the head and its little what is that called? The B header gasket or something. The second header gasket that goes in between the downpipe and the top. But yeah, overall, stoked to be driving this thing again. Yeah. So that was a test drive out in the hot one. Oh boy. So it's always, I hope this isn't a reoccurring thing. I'd really like to just be done with this. But yeah, something's going on with the exhaust. Alright, so we're back in the garage. It is like midnight, so it's finally cooled down. I took off the heat shield real quick, and I could feel down here one of the bolts to the header is loose. None of the bolts up here on the head are loose, but I know that I'm actually missing a bolt. You can see that I'm missing a bolt completely. A bolt fell off when I was driving the other day, and I wonder, as I mentioned, I don't think it came from under the car because everything would be covered in oil. And I remember hitting down over here first and then popping out the back. So I wonder if this bolt will fit up in there. What do you know? It fits in there. Alright, so I just threw the bolt back on really quick. Let's see if the exhaust is quiet again. I'm going to be putting together this shift knob in the next video, see if I can salvage my first Fox Designs etc. shift knob, see if I can refinish it too and bring back some of these colors too, so stay tuned for that. Peace out.